30 crore Indians only in the priority group were to get both the shots against COVID-19. Less than 10% of this group have got 2 doses of the vaccine. To call India's vaccination drive sluggish would be an absolute understatement. It is beyond sluggish, the inoculation drive in India. My colleague Sneha Mordani puts this into perspective with the number crunching she does. Take a look.
अभी पहले जो 30 करोड़ लोग हैं, यानी पहले 30 करोड़ लोग में क्या है, पहला 1 करोड़ जो हेल्थ वर्कर्स हैं, दूसरे 2 करोड़ लोग वो हैं जो कि दूसरे नंबर पे प्रायोरिटी वाले जो फ्रंट लाइन वर्कर्स हैं। ये 50 साल से ऊपर के हर व्यक्ति को उस कैटेगरी में रखा है। ये करीब 26 करोड़ के करीब लोग बैठते हैं। ऐसे अभी 30 करोड़ लोगों को प्रायोरिटाइज किया गया है।
2 months left for the target of 30 crore vaccinations, but India is far, far behind the target. The government's own target of getting 30 crore people 2 doses of the vaccine by July looks like a distant dream now. Here is the reality. Of the 30 crore priority group, less than 3 crore have got both doses of the vaccine. This includes over 64 lakh healthcare workers, 77 lakh frontline workers and over 1 crore 49 lakh senior citizens in India. Apart from that, over 65 lakh Indians between the age group of 45 to 60 have got both doses of the vaccine, but they never were a part of the priority group. In totality, 3 crore 57 lakh 71,736 Indians have got both doses of the vaccine. It's been 114 days since the vaccination drive began. The government, boasting of 17 crore vaccinations, has invited flack.
We don't have the manufacturing to do this. We don't have enough vaccine. We don't have the distribution to do this. We can't administer the number of doses required. So there's been very poor planning in the vaccination campaign. Even the conservative plan to vaccinate 300 million people doesn't look like we're going to be able to achieve.
The centre says that more than 1 crore vaccines are available with the states, but severe shortage is writ large. Globally, concerns have been raised about the slow pace of vaccinations in India. Fitch Ratings has warned that India's slow pace of vaccination means the country could remain vulnerable to further waves of COVID-19 once the current surge subsides. The Lancet has said that India has vaccinated less than 2% of its population because of the slow pace of the vaccination drive. The Lancet says the botched up vaccination drive must be rationalized and implemented. As per the data that has been given out by the Government of India, 20 lakh Indians between the ages of 18 to 45 have got first dose of the vaccine. This means that on an average, 2 lakh individuals are getting vaccinated every single day in this particular age bracket. 55 crore Indians are between the ages of 18 to 45. Up until now, just 0.36% of this age category people have got 1 dose of the vaccine. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for India Today.